Jean Shaw here, and I want to show you how to quickly turn articles into slideshow videos. Basically, you can do this with any text document, but what you want to do is open your text document, click on it with Control and H, and that will bring up the Find and Replace function. And what you're looking to do is anywhere where you've got a full stop, or some people call it a period, you're going to replace that full stop or period with a full stop, a space and an enter. Now obviously you can't see that on this find and replace function, but it is doing it. So now you're going to hit replace all, and what it will do is go through everywhere in that document and tell you how many times it's made these replacements. So it's 19. So at the end of it you'll probably have 19 slides. So click OK. Now what you're going to do is close this down now, and you're going to save it somewhere where you'll know where you can find it. Now I know that I've already saved this once, and I've saved it in my to turn into PowerPoints file. Very original, hey? Anyway, we're going to close that down, and next thing we're going to do is we're going to open up a new PowerPoint presentation. Now when you open up your PowerPoint presentation, this is what is known as your title slide, and this has got add title, click to add subtitle, which we're going to change a bit later on, but we'll leave it for now, that's not a problem. But what we do need to do is go to the design, and we're going to go to the page setup. And because it's likely that this video may end up on YouTube, we want to get it in the correct format, and so that we don't get the black bars either side, we're going to change this sizing to the 16 by 9, and if you watch very quickly you'll see that this will change shape now. We're going to click OK and see how it's sort of got longer and thinner, but that will be ideal for the YouTube videos. Right, next we're going to go back to home, and what we're going to do now is we're going to insert our article. So we're going up here to open, and we're going to find the text that we've saved somewhere very safe, and we've remembered where. In my case it's on my desktop, and it's in my file to turn into PowerPoints. So I'm going to open that up, and see there's nothing there. That's because in here it says all PowerPoint presentations, which obviously our article isn't yet. So I'm going to click this little arrow, find the all files, and there it is. And it was called Jean Shaw Articles into Videos. So I'm going to click on that, and it opens it up here. I'm going to open it up, and it's going to bring it into my PowerPoint. See how all my slides are now been created, and I didn't have to do anything at all really, did I? But remember I mentioned that there was this format, or the layout wasn't actually brilliant. It's got this, and we don't want that. So what you do, you go up to your initial slide, and then right click on it and Control all, and that will highlight all of them. And what you're going to do is you're going to change the layout. So we're going to go up to layout, and we're going to have a blank slide. And now all of these have been turned into blank slides. Because you hit on the first one, the title slide, that's changed everything. And knowing that, we can also change the background of all of them now. So we're going to go back to the first slide again, this title slide. We're going to Control A, and that will select all of them again. And now we're going to go to design, and just to show you how easy this is, I'm going to click on background style, and I'm just going to change this to, yeah, I'll change it to blue because it's my youngest son's favourite colour. He's got autism, and when he was younger, blue is the only colour that he would wear. It used to be a nightmare. Everything was blue. T-shirts were blue, shoes were blue, everything was blue. Anyway, so here we are. So we're back on our slideshow. See, all the slides have changed colour. They've all got the same design. They've all got their writing on. Obviously not in the right place, because if we look at them, they're all at the top, which we want to change, but that's not a problem. Now on this first slide, because it says Jean Shaw, which is me, I'm going to insert my picture. So I'm going to insert picture, find it on my desktop because I know I've got one there. There you go. There I am. Click on me, insert, and there I am. Move me across a bit, which isn't a problem. And there you go. So there I am introducing this. And all you need to do then is just go through and move your text around, put it where you want it, change it into, you know, change the font size, which you know how to do, don't you? I'm sure you've done all this loads of times before, so I don't really need to waste my time and yours showing you, but that's basically what you do. You're just going to move this around, and I would just go through them purely because what I'm showing you is how you're going to do this. And obviously you can do transitions, and you can put well, you can do what you like with it really. You can put in more images, you can change the font size, you can bold it, italicize, do what you want with it really. But it's just such an easy way of you know, creating a video without you having to physically create the slides and either type all the information in or copy and paste, which can sometimes be a bit of a pain. I'd probably, you know, when you're trying to show something, you're trying to rush, everything seems to go wrong, doesn't it? But, so I've probably missed half of these, but you get the picture anyway, don't you? You know what to do, because whatever you're going to do is obviously going to be totally different from this, and that's in the wrong place. But never mind. See how hopeless I am. That's what I say. That's what happens when you rush, isn't it? You open up your screen capture, and that's what I'm doing now, which is probably why I'm making all these mistakes. Anyway, never mind. Here we go. So we add images, change the background, and format the font if you want to. Right. Let's go through what we got here. So Jean Shaw here, and I want to show you a quick way of turning articles into slideshow videos. Open up any article you have, copy it into a text document, Control H, find and replace. I'm just going to format that a bit better. There you go. And I'm now going to cough, I think. Sorry about that. I should have stopped while the going was good, really, shouldn't I? Never mind. That's the way it goes. So now I'm going, right, you need to replace a period. Remember, that's a full stop to sum with a space and return. Now each slide will then be on a separate slide page, which you've seen. That's good. Click replace all. Actually, that didn't make a lot of sense, did it? Each slide will then be on a separate slide page. I think I'll say each sentence. I think we'll change that. See how easy it is. Right, silly me. Click replace all. Save the document somewhere. Now just remember where you've filed it, because it's really frustrating when you save it somewhere and you've got no idea where it is. Open up your PowerPoint presentation. Make the title slide blank. Click design. I thought I got through those too quickly. Remember 16:9 is the best for YouTube because it gets rid of those black things, black bars over the side. Okay, open it up. Check your slides. That's what I'm doing now. Change the layout to do this. Right, we've done that. Put the text onto separate slides, which it did. Pretty clever, isn't it? Add images. Well, I'm not going to do too many. Open your screen capture, which I'm doing now. I'm actually doing it with Camtasia. Don't know what you use, but that's what I'm doing it with. Congratulations, you now have an article in video format. Oh, easy, wasn't it? Of course it was. So what I'm going to do in there, I'm going to insert a little man, actually, because we've achieved it. I've achieved it. Congratulations. Congratulations to me. Oh, whoops. I'm a bit big. Okay. So we're going to reduce him down a bit. Oh, I've turned him upside down as well. Oh well. He's doing cartwheels. He's so happy. Oh dear. Oh well, I'll insert another one. Insert another little man picture. Except he wasn't very little, was he? He was huge. There we go. Right, I'm not gonna. Right, this time. Right, there we go. See, he's doing cartwheels. I wonder how we screw that. Oh, maybe it's this one. Oh yeah, there we go. Oh, I've reversed him. Oh well, perhaps I'll delete him. How do I delete you? Oh no, I'll delete you. I'll put me back instead. So you can see who's the idiot. Who's the idiot? Right, there you go. Easy, wasn't it? Of course it was, Jean. Well done. Okay, so that basically is how you turn articles into videos. And if you want to hear me burble on anymore, you can go to jeanshawinterviews.com, and I promise you I'm much more professional on that site. So thanks for watching and good luck with your video creation. Bye.